I really didn't know what to do for my 1,000 subscriber special.
But then I kind of remembered it's YouTube tradition for people to hurt themselves for the amusement of their followers during subscriber specials. I mean, Markiplier did.
So I decided to make the spiciest chicken wings I can imagine. This is a Carolina Reaper and a ghost pepper, and this is just some homemade buffalo sauce. And I'm gonna put this together. We got our buffalo sauce with our peppers in there. We're gonna throw in some mustard and some sriracha. So we're gonna get these in for a double fry to golden brown. These are coming straight out the fryer and right into the sauce. And there we go.
Let's see how bad this is gonna be. So the buffalo sauce is actually really good. Sriracha and the mustard. It's definitely spicy, but it hasn't hit me that bad yet.
Well, that was anticlimactic. My stomach got full before my tongue fell off. Thanks for 1,000 subscribers. I guess I'll have to do a giveaway or something. This doesn't turn out great.